Hello guys, Sami again. Today it's a shiny day from Brussels, Belgium, and today we are going to take a deep look at the website. And what does what mean? Uh, I let you see. Okay guys, I want to buy something. MediaMarkt. Uh, there is in Belgium a website named MediaMarkt. I'm going to choose this one because I want to show you, for example, I want to buy something. I want to buy a laptop and I'm going to do like this, okay, add it to my basket. Okay, here is next step. As you see, there are many mappings, a web app, and this is a Spring Boot application, I guess. And as you see, it's made it with Java Spring Boot, and that's why I've chosen this one because I know that. Okay, I say okay, that looks fine. Go next step. Okay, I don't like to make account. I'm going to use my email as a guest. Okay, here is the next page. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do love like this. Rue de la like that. This is fake address, but I want to show you. Okay, after you fill this form up, uh, you see the next page. It say choose how you want to pay. Okay, I want to pay. Let me see. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Uh, Next. Okay, guys, at this page, uh, you see that this is a safe web page, and you can here choose how you want to pay. I'm going to use a Visa card, credit card, MasterCard. Okay, I'm going to choose this. I want to pay. What's what is the next page? What I'm going to see? Okay, yeah. You see, simple page. I'm going to make it smaller. Yeah, you see, there is a form here. You have to give your name. For example, you have to give your credit card number, and you have to give your CVC and the date. Actually, I like to talk about these three fields. Okay, here is the name. These are text fields that I can type. Here I have to write my credit card CVC number. Okay, but wait. Oh yeah, MediaMark is a good guy. These people, they are not going to misuse my info. But what happened to this? When I'm clicking here, what happened in the back end with my important data of information? What happened to this? Okay, MediaMark is now at this time is a good guy. He's never going to misuse or misbreak that. Okay, but if he after 5 years be bad guy, okay, now you are a good guy, perfect. But if you change after 10 years and you become a bad guy, oh, and you tried or you decide to misuse this information, guys, uh, you know what I'm going to make this video. I'm going to make this video because I want to give you more info at these days, because you are going to online to make wallet, you are buying bitcoins. Just follow me, look at what happened to our data. I want to make a website like this and show you what they can do with this data, because I believe that if you have more info about this website, you can better defend yourself. That's my opinion. Okay. Hey guys, here I'm going to my Spring Boot application. As you see, I have here a simple empty Spring Boot application. Okay. What I like to do, I like to make a simple class to what I'm going to give as a name. Okay, I need I need some variables. Okay, what are they? I like to make a private a string email, private a string credit card number, private string CVC. That small. Look, I've made a name where I'm going to type my name, a number, and again a number. But I'm going to take them as a string because this video is just for educational purpose, and yeah, any misuse, it's up to you, and it's your responsibility. But I what I want to do, just show you how safe is that. Okay, I'm going to make a getter and setter. Guys, I have to talk a little bit yeah, come up, because last video was about 1 hour or so. Okay, this is a simple Java class input. It has three variable, getter and setter, and just two string. Okay, good. This is the simple one. And what I want now, I want to make a form. Okay, we have to make a form to do something else. Okay, here, you know that I am not front-end coder, and as you see, I have here a simple HTML form, but in the form fun time live. This is a form, as you can see. This is a form, but let me do like this. Give me breakpoint. Here I need also a breakpoint. Guys, I'm not front end, huh? That's why. Okay, let me see what happened. Okay, good. And I wanna my button also be like break. Okay, I have three fields like here. These are same 1, 2, 3. Just separate, and here also I have three forms. Okay, and now next step, I have index controller, empty index controller. What I want to do, I want to make a simple controller at get mapping. Okay, I'm going to mapping that use index. Okay, public string, public string. I'm going to name it as main. Well, how about that? And it's gonna take one parameter, model as model, and if you at this position give me model dot add attribute, and I have in my HTML page a variable as an input reserve placeholder. Let me say that I have reserved that, and give me a new instance of my input class. After that, return me index page. Index page, close it. It's gonna return this. Okay, let me just very fast check it to see, because a Spring Boot application, it's really, yeah, sometimes you wrote everything fine, but I don't know, sometimes you have to restart your computer, you have to do many more things. Okay, let's go to our mapping, localhost. Okay, you see, if I'm coming at this page, you have to let me index. I want something else. Give me a horizontal line also here, because I want to separate them. Give me horizontal line. Go give me horizontal line. This is much more better for me. Okay, I'm going to run my program. Okay, I'm going to clear my console to see, to track what happened. Oh, come on. I'm going to clear it. Localhost 8080. Okay, you see I have here, you have to remember, look at this web page. After some click, we are at the position to pay with our credit. You have to imagine that we are at that page, and we have to give us our credit number or information to buy that. Okay, very good. Okay, that's okay. Now I can get my mapping, and now guys, when I'm going to click there, here, look, when I'm typing my names, info and CVC, I have to click. If I'm clicking now, see nothing. Why? Because this button, this submit form button, it tell me if you click me, you have to do something, and now to do something we need action. Okay, I have it here. I'm going to copy that action somewhere. Love. Okay, let me check. Okay, and now I like to make a post controller, because when I'm clicking here, it's gonna direct me to this method. What I'm going to, this is post method, post mapping, and it's gonna do like this. Public, it's again a string, and let me save, string save. What you are going to take, you are going to take input and model as model. Okay, I'm coming here, I'm going to write it model dot add attribute. I have input placeholder in my page, and again give me input, and return at the end return for me saved page, saved HTML page, you see here. Okay, and now input, let me take a look here. Input email, credit card number, CVC. This is really normal. It say when you click there at the button, you are converting to this page. It say, okay, get input dot name, my email, what I typed there, credit card number, and CVC. Okay, it sounds good. Let me rerun it. Okay, let me clear it. Okay guys, I'm going to localhost. I'm typing my name, Armin. This is my credit card number. This is CVC number. Let me see or it's work. Okay, good. You see guys, this is normal. What happened? You write a but you are not seeing this. Just when you click here, the page say, okay, you successfully or not successfully did that, but what happened to these details? Okay guys, this is what happened in those websites. And this is really normal, but okay, you pay and you get. But this is back end, huh? I want to do something else, guys. I want this information, what you type, to take to my database. With another word, I want to save your credit card number, your CVC, and everything what you type there. Okay? And look, there I have to change the name. Okay, I want to save these things in my database. And for these things, what I'm going to do, I'm going to run my SQL client for first to check my database because I'm using at this time uh, our school database. I have access to them. Okay, yesterday it was down. Okay, I'm going to take my all tables. Okay, let me see message I don't need. Let me see what I've got here. I've here email, credit card, CVC. Okay, and input table I don't have, and that's why I'm going to use entity to make this table in my database. For sure I need, if I'm using that, I need an ID, I need a generation value strategy, give me some identity, strategy default. What strategy? Okay, let me just wait. Strategy, let me, what was the strategy? GitHub strategy identity was that. Let me, how going to strategy how was that? Let me check my GitHub. Let me see. Strategy. I'm going to take a model appointment. Oh yeah, here. Oh, generation type. Okay, good. Let me do like this. Whoops. Oppa. Okay. And here I need let me like this. Let me take private integer private integer ID, and this is our primary. Let me here I'm going to take a getter and setter. Give me all of them, and just two string I need also. Okay, and for this, at this position I need something more. Look, I want interface. I'm going to name it input repository, and it is an interface. It's gonna extend JPA repository with the input and integer mark as repository. Okay, and I want what I want more here. I want to my controller, then you are going to click there. I want to save them, but we are going to do that. I'm going to make an, let me choose a name. I'm going to import my repository. I'm going to wire it, and okay. Hop. Let me here see. It's gonna put model dot attribute. I'm going to do, let me do something like this. um, I'm thinking how best I can do that you're not seeing and not feeling that. Okay, I want to get, this is what I want to do. I want, when I click on the button, these infos be saved in my database. Okay, now uh, let me just implement it. Okay, how we want to do that? On click, do something for me. Do input repository, dot save, save model, but it's not model. uh, Input dot save input. Okay, save input. Let me see if I'm okay. Before you are going to print that here, first save it to my database. After that, show user what happened, successfully or not, or whatever you can imagine. Okay, let me see, or our uh, wow, oh, yo, 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 yo. Guys, I did show. Guys. Guys, sorry guys, I've used database for someone else. Oh yo, I don't know what happened. God, I hope that she had no input table in that database. I hope just that. Okay, let me check my database. Show my tables. What I've got here. Right? Connect it again, boy. Show tables. Why not? Entity ID. Let me check my poem. YDBC. Okay, that's looks good, but why I have marked it as entity and you have to make it for me? Oh yeah, I have to. Oh yeah, something missing. You have. I have to. Oh, wait. Let me look. I'm telling you what's the problem now. Here I need some. Yeah, I have to copy this because it's a strategy. It's my database type platform is gonna use this, and that's why uh, nothing happened. Let me again rerun it. Okay, let me test it again. Nope. I have to find it. Oh, let me do so. I'm going to cook. Wait. I'm going to use this. Just, I'm going to remove you. What happened? And I want. Oh yeah. Naming strategy also need, and I want to check it on my console, and I know that if I'm running with my front end or my back end. Okay, let me rerun it. I've just copy paste some properties of my application properties file, and it has to make for me, it should for make it for me. Oh yeah, look, it's happened. You see here, engine InnoDB. Okay, uh, take a look here. It made these things on my database. Okay, let's check it. I have here, look, new input, select star from input, and you see I have here my database, but empty database. Okay, good. uh, Let me again rerun my program. What happened? Let me check. Haha, for sure. You know what? Because we are adding new property, and our index, it has no ID property here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this, or so copy this, uh, paste it here, and those two also, v, and now id, and in my save page also, let me copy this again here, give me input dot id. Okay, again, nothing special, just really simple program. I want to show you to see how simple is that, but how serious they can misuse your data, misuse your information, misuse what you are going to type. It's a type of keylogger, you know that? Okay, clear it. Let me again check it. Oops, what happened? Request processing for necessary index line 16. You see again, front end template index 16, index 16, and this is here. Okay, input, why we we have only setter, no getter. Oh, what is that, Sammy? Yeah, god damn it. Okay, getter also. Again, rerun. When I'm going to type fast, those things happen. I had to find before a problem in a Spring database application. You never believe that. I've tested everything. You believe me? 2 days. You know what's the problem? Just a space, for example, a space before slash or backslash. 2 days, guys. Never believe that. Okay. Let me again run it. Yes. Okay. Now ID, we have actually not have this ID, but I'm going to test it. Armin credit card number, like this. Okay, I see that thing. Okay, it's just like before, show me everything, but let me check my database. Guys, you see, when you buy with your credit card something, okay, here you click, you buy something, yeah, good. If I buy something, you saw that, very normal, this is your name for that, but one thing you are not seeing, and that's this one, this line of code. See, here I'm saying before you print or you show the user these things, one line before, first save that things, save that info to my database, and then go next. Hey guys, hey, what happened? It can easily be save my data. Look at here, there is no hashing, there is no stir, there is no security for. You are seeing just numbers, no hashing, no algorithm. Hey guys, is that normal? And if MediaMark, I'm saying MediaMark because I'm talking not about MediaMark or not about bol.com or not about Amazon. I'm talking about system or software engineering. I know that MediaMark is a good guy. Never go in, I've never heard about that the MediaMark misused or something like that, and it's never happened, but it can be, it can. Okay, let's check again. Okay, I am number 2, my name is Sami, this is my CV number, and this is my credit card number. I want to pay. Good, you have paid, but let me check our database. See, second one. Okay, credit card number 2. For example, another one, want to buy Powell, want to buy telephone, this is my CV number, this is my credit card number, just pay for me. Okay, Paul, good, you have paid and your order is on the way. It takes 2 or 3 days. I can write it here. Good. Look, now let's check database. Oh, third one is also here. I want to do something more. Look, in the save page, I want to see also this. H3, it's a successfully paid. Okay, successfully paid, thanks. Okay, your order is on the way. It takes 0 to 3 work days, for example. Okay, again, you see, yeah, rerun our program. Okay, let me begin. My name is uh, Patty. And then I like to buy a vibrator, for example, and I buy it with my credit card. Look, oh, successfully paid, and you can look these things. Uh, if it's normal, before you pay, it show you this information again. Oh, Patty number did it is your credit card number, your CV number. After that, they say that okay, is that correct? Click here, and when you click, you see, for example, say, oh, okay, successfully paid. Your order is on the way, or blah blah blah. But very good, very good. I have your card number. I'm not. Look, it's defendable. Is it defendable? You can say that we are never misuse that. We are just mapping them. No, they're not allowed to mapping them, to mapping the numbers of the credit cards of any info. You have no right to save my name also, but you can see it. This is my database, my backend. Nobody see that. And if you take a look, see here, and this is the link of my database. You see, I'm working somewhere else, and the database saved somewhere else. You see that? Okay, guys, that was for today. I've made this video for educational purpose and for people who like to know what can be happen at the front end of an enterprise application. For example, you are going to parking application, all application what you can pay or what you can just working with, application that you send something and you get something as a response back. You know that? Request, you sending as a customer request to this application. Here you send request. When you click it, you say to my application, hey application, I am did, and my application going to check all of your data. If everything matches, and then it's going to handle your request. And look, when I click here, what is my response? When I click that, what I'm getting as answer, as answer here. This is our response. What you get back from our application. It's gonna give you some response back. Okay, this is yours. This is what you want. And this is a connection between me and the second one. But it can be the third person. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop it. I hope you enjoy this video because I believe that we can make our community safer if we share these types of videos and these types of information to tell them, hey, when you are going online and you are going open a Bitcoin wallet or a Ethereum wallet or whatever wallet, your info, public key, private key, gonna be saved somewhere else. I'm going to make another video about Bitcoin's wallet. How unsafe is that? And you are going to do busy works, maybe some people 24/7 stay awake and caring about that, and maybe one day you are going to log in to your account and you see there is nothing there. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy and have a nice day from Brussels, Belgium, and salut.